Price tayo, no? Price. Asking price ko is 580. So, konti lang kaya ko i-less dito.
540. I just remember.
Oh, no.
Ganda.
Maganda.
Nelson.
Nelson, tsaka si Jackie Lu. Galing pa ng Isabela. Pero may dala kayo sa akin, ma'am. Okay. Tapos, ma'am, if ever, mumotorin niyo po? Opo. You want to try, sir?
Sobra.
So,
Yeah, of course, yeah.
meron siya stock na windshield. Ito yung original niya na windshield. So, ito aftermarket siya. This one, Toratec brand.
Toratec one.
He bought it 90,000. Upper crash guard, lower crash guard, and pannier bracket. You want to try, sir?
Yes, of course, yes.
Buong motor, 5 years warranty. So, warranty until 2028. This one, ma'am, may ilaw na GR70X. So, itong GR, ma'am, around 25,000 to pag binili mo. Okay naman siya, kumpleto naman. So, ang registration mo is until 2026. Since 3 years siya. So, may plate number na rin. Ito yung original na ORCR. Tapos, meron siya siyang deed of sale, ma'am. 1, 2, 3. Tapos, yung ID niya, ito po. Yan na po. Dalawang ID. Walang expiration pareho. As this one is the spare key, sir. One remote control and one this one. So, this one, naiwan niya ito, ma'am, nawala, no? Itong plastic key na to, you need to open the seat. You just put it in the circle there.
Okay.
Then you can start the bike.
Start the bike.
Yes.
I saw that you turn it on with the button, but we need to turn we need to put the key there to turn it, or just
No. You just need to...
in the pocket it makes contact already with the motor.
Yes.
Okay.
If you're away, you cannot start the bike.
Yeah.
Then this one is for the box. And this one, if you need to open the seat. Price tayo, no? Price. So price ko kay ma'am talaga is...
540. I just remember.
Oh, no. Kaya baka copy.
God damn it. I was caught.
Nasa nationality mo? What's
I'm
your
Portuguese.
Portuguese. Asking price ko is 580. So, konti lang kaya ko i-less dito kasi yung units, all goods yan. Tapos, binyahe pa natin yan from Cabanatuan, Nueva Ecija. Bagong PMS siya, makakapalang tires, 6,000 lang ang odo. So, may accessories na siya, naka-Toratec na siya na crash guard, tsaka pannier bracket. Naka-gold runway na ilaw, plus top box. So, siguro, accessories maybe around 150 o 180, around like that. So,
And ganda.
maganda. So, last price ko kay sir, sabi ko tumawad siya. So, usap na kami. Done deal na kami sa True Phone. So, 570. Right? So, done deal kami sa 570,000.
Thank you.
Para sa 2023 BMW F750 na GS. You love to ride bike.
You like it? You already ride tricycle.
Oh, really?
Yeah. 90 years old.
Okay, 9 years old. Very cool. Sir, thank you very much.
Yes.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Done deal kami ni boss.
Thank you. And see you in 1 month again.
Yes, next month BMW GS 1250. So, marami yan magkaiba yan, Dandil tsaka Jet Now. Thank you, bigyan mo sila kuya Dandil Cup.
Oh, wow. Thank you. Wow. Thank you. I will let it now.
Yeah. Yes, yan. Thank you.
The best. The best.
Okay, when you need to lock the handlebar, you just put long press. Very
Nakalad ko sa video.
Napanood niya na pala eh. Kaya pala alam niya.
See you next time. See you soon.
Thank you po. Mag-ingat po kayo sir ha. Thank you po.
Thank you. It's okay.
So guys, done deal na tayo sa first transaction of the day. So nakabenta tayo ng 2023 BMW F750 na GS. Sa mga hindi nakakaalam, ang BMW 750 at saka yung BMW na 850, same engine lang po sila. Sa ORCR nakalagay dyan pareho silang 853cc. So nilagay lang nilang F750 GS at saka F850 GS. Ang pinagkaiba lang nun is yung size ng tires. Naka-mugs po yung F750 GS na ang size is 1719 at naka-rims naman yung F850 na GS na naka 1821. 21 ang size. So pag may binibenta po kayo second na ng big bikes at gusto nyo magpa-consignment, message nyo ako, send nyo sign picture, appraise natin, pagpasok po sa budget, puntahan natin. So Jet Low Rider po ito, ride safe and God bless. Let's